Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're signed in and ready. Now locate the gift card code and the payment flow. First, open the Flipkart app or website and go straight to Account, then Gift Cards. Enter the 1620 character code exactly, including hyphens if shown, because format errors block validation. Once done, tap Apply or Redeem and watch for a confirmation message that the balance added. This step links the card to your Flipkart wallet so you can use it at checkout. You've added items, move to checkout and confirm your delivery address so shipping options lock in. On payment, expand the gift card or wallet section because that's where the redeemed balance appears. If you haven't redeemed the code earlier, paste it now and press Apply. The payable amount will drop by the gift value. Make sure the gift balance covers the order or combine it with a card, UPI, or net banking. Flipkart lets you split payments automatically. You're at the final step. Review the final payable amount after the gift card deduction, then complete payment with the remaining method if required. Once paid, note the order ID and check your Flipkart wallet balance to confirm the deduction. This proves success. If the code fails, first re-enter it exactly, check expiry and region restrictions, and make sure the balance wasn't already used. If issues persist, contact Flipkart support with screenshots and the order ID. This speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.